Mildred.
Oh.
What? I'm going to the county fair tonight.
With who, Mel? With who?
Would you like to know?
Please tell me. I promise I won't tell.
I don't believe you, Mildred.
You promise?
You promise?
With who? Now tell me.
I've gone on a date with Robert.
Oh, Mel, do Mama know you're going with Robert?
Shh! Mildred, don't tell people Mama have bionic ears.
Hey, stop making all that noise and go to bed.
I told you. Okay, Mama, we going to bed.
That's Big Mouth Mel.
Go to bed.
Mildred, but guess what, Mildred?
What?
I'm going to the county fair, and we're going to ride the cyclone. We're going to kiss while we're doing it.
Oh, I'm telling Mama.
Tell Mama.
Yes,
Mildred.
I am. You better pay me. You better pay me for the kiss. Pay me.
No, Mildred.
I'm telling Mom.
Mel and Mel, what did I say?
Mama, I'm getting ready to go to bed. It's okay. Mildred is just a little upset about something, but I'm calming her down, okay, Mama? But we're going to bed.
Pay me. You gonna pay me? To keep my mouth closed.
Will.
Okay. I'm so happy for you, sister.
Thank you. Well, if you're so happy, I need to put on some makeup.
Okay, sit down, sit down. Oh, goodness. Oh,
That's my makeup kit.
now, how you gonna leave out without Mama knowing?
I'm going to get through the window. Okay?
Really, Melvenia?
Really?
Oh my God, we must gonna have to cut it.
No, I can get through that. I got through that last week. You remember?
Oh yeah, that's right. But you done gained a little weight, Melvenia. Oh, let's go. Oh
I
goodness.
just want to look my best for him.
Oh goodness. Oh wow. It feels like I'm going on a date. You know, I'll be dating after a while. Why are you looking like that?
No, ma'am.
Come on, let's get you all pretty. What? How you gonna get there, Mel?
But he's outside the window.
He's outside the window.
He's outside the
Right
window.
now?
Right now!
What did I say? If y'all make me come up them stairs, I'm gonna beat y'all silly.
Okay, Mama. We're getting ready to go to bed, Mama. We're all dressed for bed.
Yeah, we're so sleepy.
Oh.
Yeah, we're sleepy. Oh goodness. What is this? Okay, come on. Oh, 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 oh. But Melvenia, you're gonna have to stop sneaking out like this. Mama gonna find out, and when Mama find out, your butt belongs to her.
It's not going to hurt anybody. Just know that, Mildred. I'm going to go, and I'm coming right back, Mildred. I promise you. I promise you. I won't stay long, Mildred.
Well, you know, I got to let you in. You know, sometimes my eyelids get real sleepy. So you're going to have to come back. You'll be back in about, what, 15 minutes?
No, girl. It'll be about an hour, 15 minutes. But you, I will bring you back some cotton candy. That'll be right.
Okay.
Give me my purse.
Okay. All right. I don't know about this, Melvenia. I don't feel good about this one. There's something about this, Melvenia.
Okay, Mildred.
Ooh,
You like my outfit?
oh, you look so pretty. Is that Mama's scarf?
Yes, it is.
You better not let Mama find out when she goes.
If you keep your mouth shut.
I promise. I keep my mouth shut. As long as you pay me some money.
We are sisters for life.
Mm-hmm.
We love one another, that's right. We may sometimes fuss and fight. Still we are sisters for life.
Okay, Angel, here you go. I still don't know how you're going to get through that window. I just don't know, but come on. All right. Oh, goodness. Come on. All right.
Swing, Mildred.
Oh, that's how far you can go. Oh my God. Wait. Oh, wait, I gotta grease you up.
Come on, Mildred, push. Push, Mildred.
You got it. There you go. Oh my. Oh. Is you all right, Melvenia?
I'm good.
Oh God.
Right.
Oh my God. What? It pays to sneak out the house. Okay, I'm gonna stay up till you come back. Oh goodness. Oh, I hope Mama don't find out. Oh God. I hope Melvenia enjoy herself. Oh goodness. Oh, let me see. Oh, well, she just left. Oh, he gone. Oh, I hope Mama don't find out. Oh, I sound like I hear Mama. Oh, goodness.
Girl, y'all in the bed? I'm about to come up there to tuck y'all in.
Tuck us in, Mama. We're nearly teenagers. We don't need tucking in.
Yeah, girl.
Oh, goodness. We okay, Mama. Melvenia, she has a mouth full of food. You know she has to eat before she goes to bed.
And tell Mel to clean them crumbs off that bed.
I sure will, Mama. You have a good night's sleep, okay? Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, Mama really does have bionic ears. Oh, goodness. I hope Melvenia make it back before Mama found out she's gone. Because if she does, she is a dead duck. I mean, sitting dead duck. So sleepy.
Mildred.
What's that calling me? Oh.
Wake up, Mildred. Wake up, girl. It's me. It's Melvenia.
Go away, Melvenia. Leave me alone.
If you don't hurry up and open this door before Mama catch me outside, open the door. Mildred, I'm coming through the window too, Mildred.
Oh, that's really you, Melvenia?
It's me.
Oh, goodness. How I know it's you? It's late. It's 2 o'clock. You're supposed to be coming back home at 1 o'clock.
Just open the door.
How I know it's you? What's your social security number?
9228-7654.
Okay. When was you born?
Jesus, January the 2nd, 1942.
1942. And how old are you? You're not Melvenia.
It's 1932. Come on, girl.
Oh, goodness.
Just open up the door.
All right. Let me see your face.
Mildred, please.
Yeah, that's Mel. Okay, come on. I'm going to have to pull you through. Oh, just watch it. Oh, goodness. That's it. Back that thing up. Back it up. Oh, I'm going to have to grease it a little bit. It's okay. You're going to be a little wet. Let me just grease you. Oh, God. Can't be going through all of this. Oh, goodness. Oh, Melvenia. I've got to stop eating all that food. Oh, my God. This is getting too much.
Mildred,
What? Oh, girl.
I had the time of my life.
Oh, you did? Tell me all about it.
Oh, sis, have a seat.
Oh, goodness. Oh, wow. Yes.
The first thing we did, Mildred, is that we went to the park. Oh, we stopped by and we watched the moonlight. And then he kissed me right there.
Oh, I'm telling Mel.
Oh,
You're not supposed to be kissing boys.
I didn't kiss him on the lips. I kissed him right there.
Oh, but I know he wanted you to kiss him right there. Oh.
Mildred, but guess what? The best part of all was the ride on the roller coaster. Oh, we were just sitting so close to each other. I could smell his Old Spice. It was so nice. His Old Spice and his brute mixed together.
Oh,
It was so nice, Mel.
Oh,
I
wow.
wish you were there the whole time.
I know. I can't wait till I start dating.
No.
I will. Mommy says when I make 17, I'll be able to go on a date.
You're not going to date, Mildred. You know your butter beans up here. So they're going to take advantage of you.
Oh, they won't. I might want them to, man.
So happy.
And so what happened? So how did y'all go? How did you go?
Well, we rode a horse and buggy.
Oh, wow. That should have cost a lot of money, man.
It was free. We went to the neighbor's house down the street. And we took their horse and carriage. They never heard a thing. Stole it. Well, we didn't steal it. We took it back.
Oh, Mama didn't teach us to steal. You've been a bad girl. Yes, you were.
I'm so excited. He's coming back tomorrow night. You think you can?
No, I'm not taking it again. Anyway, pay me my money that you owe me.
First of all, I don't have any money.
Pay me my money, Mel. Now. I'm telling Mama. I'm calling her right now.
I'm going to get a job when I make 17.
What? Pay me my money now or I'm screaming.
I don't have the money. Don't scream. You're going to catch the whooping because I'm going to tell Mama you did it.
Give me my money now. Mel, I trusted you. Give me my money or I'm calling Mama now.
Girls, I thought y'all was supposed to be asleep.
Oh, Mama, we sleep.
No, we're not, Mama. See,
Shh.
my money now. Okay. Give me my money. Give me my money. Mama!
Mel, what did I say?
Oh, it's okay. I'm having a nightmare. It's gonna be okay.
Here's your money. Now put it in your pocket.
Thank you. And I'm not watching out for you tomorrow. It's too much because you don't want to pay your bills. Anyway, I
I
hope
used to
Mama,
like you, but
I
I
hope
don't
Mama
like you.
find out. And when she does, your butt belongs to her.